welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss question number 4 from exercise 8.1 from the chapter Quadrilaterals for class 9. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. So let us start now. Question is, show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So we can draw the square now, A, B, C, D. Let us name the square as A, B, C, D. And we have to prove that diagonals are equal. The diagonals are AC and BD. We have to first prove that the diagonals are equal. So for that, take these triangles ABD and ABC. Okay, ABD and ABC. You can note this down if you want. So take the triangles ABD and ABC, and we have to prove that they are congruent. If we prove that they are congruent, we can say that these two sides are also equal by CP/CT rule, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles rule. So we are taking these triangles, and here AB is common to these two triangles. So we can say that AB equal to AB, common side. Okay, now this AD is equal to BC because they are the sides of a square. So AD is equal to BC, sides of square. And since this is a square, we know that this angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. That is, we have two sides which are equal, that is these two sides for this triangle and these two sides for this triangle, and one angle in between the sides which are equal, which means these two triangles are congruent, that is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ABC by SAS congruence rule. Okay, so we got these two triangles are congruent, which means this BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC by CP/CT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles rule. So we have proved that diagonals of a square are equal. Now we have to prove that they bisect each other, that is this is equal to this OD is equal to OB and this OA is equal to OC. What is the meaning of bisect each other? It means that this diagonal cuts this diagonal into two equal halves and vice versa. That is, this diagonal cuts this diagonal into two equal parts. So for that we have to prove that this OD is equal to OB and this OC is equal to OA. So let us take these two triangles AOD and BOC. Triangle AOD and triangle BOC we are going to take. Okay, you can note this down if you want. So we have taken this triangle AOD and triangle BOC. Now we know that these two angles are equal because they are opposite, vertically opposite angles. So angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, vertically opposite angles. And we know that these two sides AD and BC are equal. So AD is equal to BC, sides of square. And this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. That is, if we take these two sides are the parallel sides, right? And if we draw this transversal, then this angle, this angle is alternate interior angles, right? These two angles are alternate interior angles, which means they are equal. So, angle ODA is equal to angle OBC, alternate interior angles. So we got one side which is equal, that is this side, and these two angles. So we can say that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by AAS congruence rule. Okay, so we got these two triangles as congruent, and from that we can say that this OD is equal to OB, OD is equal to OB, and OC is equal to OA by CP rule. That is corresponding parts of congruent triangles rule. So we have proved that they are equal as well as they bisect each other. Now we have to prove that they bisect each other at right angles. That is this angle and this angle, this angle. All these angles are equal to 90 degree. How will we prove that? For that, just take these two triangles, that is triangle AOD and triangle COD. Okay. So, taking triangle AOD and triangle COD, we have this OD is equal to OD because common side. This is the common side. Now, we know that we have proved that OA is equal to OC because they bisect each other. OA is equal to OC because they bisect each other. Now, this AD is equal to DC because they are the sides of square. So, this triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD by we have got three sides as equal. So, SSS congruence rule. So, we have got that these two triangles are congruent and these two angles are the corresponding angles of these two congruent triangles, which means angle AOD is equal to angle COD by CPCT. Okay, so these two angles, we got these two angles as equal. But these two angles form a linear pair. So, the sum is equal to 180 degree. So, angle AOD plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Okay. This angle COD is equal to angle AOD. So, we can write 2 angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. So, angle AOD is equal to 180 by 2, which is equal to 90 degree. And we got angle COD is also equal to 90 degree. Okay. So, angle AOD is equal to 90 and angle COD is equal to 90. We know that this is vertically opposite angle of this angle AOD. So, angle BOC is equal to 90 degree, vertically opposite angle. Now, this angle AOB also equal to 90 degree. You can write either vertically opposite angle of this angle or this plus this is equal to 180 because they form a linear pair. So, from this we got that all these angles are equal to 90 degree. That is, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Okay, understood?